Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 CR-V Hybrid. The Honda CR-V Hybrid offers a powertrain with plenty of energy, a cabin with plenty of room, and a ride with plenty of comfort. This is all in addition to the fact it's a hybrid vehicle and the additional efficiency that it offers, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, stability control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.